Terrifying. Campi Flegrei erupts and massive earthquake shakes Italy. The world is in danger. Campi Flegrei, a supervolcano located west of Naples, Italy, has reportedly erupted after experiencing increased activity over the past few weeks. The eruption, accompanied by strong earthquakes, shocked residents early Tuesday morning, causing widespread panic in surrounding towns. The tremors were felt as far away as downtown Naples, shattering windows and sending residents fleeing their homes. Witnesses reported a loud rumbling sound before thick plumes of ash erupted from several craters in the Pozzuoli area. According to data from the Italian Institute of Volcanology, INGV, the eruption was preceded by hundreds of small earthquakes that occurred in rapid succession over the past week. This phenomenon indicates that significant pressure is building underground due to the continued movement of magma rising to the surface. Several roads in the Pozzuoli area cracked, and hot gas mixed with sulfur vapors escaped from fissures. The Italian government immediately declared a state of emergency and ordered the evacuation of thousands of residents living in the red zone to avoid possible further eruptions. Scientists have called Campi Flegrei one of the most dangerous supervolcanoes in the world due to its proximity to a densely populated area. If activity continues to increase, there are concerns that a larger eruption could occur, causing severe impacts on Italy and the rest of Europe. Meanwhile, Naples airport was temporarily closed due to the volcanic ash cloud covering the air. Rescue workers worked around the clock to assist affected residents and distribute protective masks to protect them from the thick ash that had begun to blanket the city. Research teams are now monitoring magma movements using seismic sensors and satellites to determine whether Campi Flegrei's activity will subside or intensify. The world is now watching Italy with wary eyes, hoping that the ancient supervolcano will not unleash its full power anytime soon.